Mas pinaigting pa na pamahalaan ang paghahanda nito laban sa kalamidad ngayong taon. Ayon sa Department of Social Welfare and Development, ito'y sa tulong na rin ng donasyon at mga makabagong kagamitan na ibinigay ng mga international organizations. Ang detalye sa ulat ni Ara Perez.
Puspusan na ang paghahanda ng pamahalaan laban sa anumang uri ng kalamidad na sa bansa ngayong taon. Kasunod ng pinsalang idinulot ng Super Typhoon Yolanda, hindi maikakailang malaking aral ang iniwan nito, partikular na sa kahandaan at tamang pagtugon sa panahon ng kalamidad. Sa pangunguna ni DSWD Secretary Dinky Soliman, hinimok nito ang mga grupong maaaring tumugon tuwing may kalamidad. Una na rito ang natanggap na donasyong logistic equipment ng DSWD at ng National Risk Reduction Council mula sa United Nations World Food Program bilang tulong sa mga panahon ng kagipitan. Kalakip nito ang 40 satellite phones, 8 storage units para sa mga pagkain, isang tanggapan at mahigit 1,500 na papag para sa DSWD.
They're turning over all of these facilities to us so that we can preposition them in different parts of the country, because now, together with the NDRRMC, of which the DSWD is the vice chair for response and relief, we are prepositioning in Davao City, in Cebu City, in Clark, and in Fort Magsaysay, as I understand from Secretary Volks Gasmin. Assets that we need to respond to any kind of natural event that would require an emergency operation. So this is going to be used, as you can see, it's either for sheltering people, as we did in Zamboanga, but in Tacloban, for example, this is the Barangay Apitong, which is our hub. We are using them as warehouses.
Sa ngayon, patuloy ang relief operations para sa mga lugar na napinsala ng Super Typhoon Yolanda, katuwang ang World Food Program. Ayon kay Soliman, mag-aabot pa rin ng tulong pangkabuhayan at pinansyal ang pamahalaan sa pagpapatuloy ng malawakang pagbangon para sa mga biktima ng bagyong Yolanda.
It is a continuing partnership. We have a very large program with DSWD, but in the case of Yolanda, we began with the immediate response with food because that was the most urgent need. Our support, as all external support should be, is complementary to what the government is able to do. As markets have come back online and as the government has been able to address more immediate food needs, we have now transited, as the Secretary was saying, to a program of cash for assets, which we will also finalize God willing, by the end of July.
The relief is a continuing effort. We still continue to provide 25 kilos of rice and 20 pieces of canned goods, noodles, and coffee for 280,000 families in Eastern Visayas. That will continue until we are able to assess, which is what we're doing now, on the capacity of families to be able to get food on their own. This is done through Cash for Work, Cash for Asset Rebuilding, which we are doing with World Food Program.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Ara Perez.